guys have to see this. Madam X. She's literally the definition of female power.
Whoa. Now that is a woman.
Bruce, the soup is getting cold.
Bruce.
Bruce!
Huh? What? Just put it down. Can't you see I'm busy?
A million views in 24 hours? Think of the monetization.
Mom, look at her. Independent, glowing, totally badass. And then look at you. Cooking, doing laundry all day long. It's kind of pathetic, to be honest.
Look at that backflip! Oh my God!
She's a literal goddess.
Yaani akawa na huzuni namna ambavyo anajitoa kwa familia yake.